Hey, so in today's video, I really want to do a massive closet clean out just because I feel like I have a lot of clothes and a lot of them I still don't wear, and I hold on to them because I think I'm going to, but I'm not going to. This also kind of happened because the other day I went to the casino. My brother and I, our birthday gifts, were seeing Christmas Vacation, the movie, live viewing, and then Chevy Chase came out with his wife and answered a bunch of questions. It was awesome. But I didn't know what to wear, and most people would be like, it's a casino, who cares? But I'm just someone who really likes to curate outfits and put together outfits for different events. Even if it's just going to the grocery store, I just like expressing myself through my outfit. What I have found though is that when I'm trying to put together outfits, I have so many clothes and so many items that I don't know what to do, and it's overwhelming, and I feel like I don't have style, and I feel like a lot of pieces I've kept for a while that I got when they were in trend, or when I thought that they were something that I should get even though it didn't really feel like me or it wasn't really my style. So I really want to hone in on really limiting how many clothes I have and really just having pieces that I wear often. I am just going to look at items and go yes, no, and if there's something that I'm like, ooh, that's a maybe, then I need to name 5 ways I'm gonna wear it or else it's gone. I'm gonna go through my closet, first start with shoes and then go with my clothes, and then there are some bags or scarves, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna get rid of them. And then I am gonna go through my drawers over there. I have 25 t-shirts. A lot of them I wear and a lot of them I really have not touched in years, so I need to go through that and really think about what t-shirts I want to keep. And then I have a closet up there with some jackets. There's definitely some jackets I need to get rid of that I never wear. And then right over here is my jewelry area. I just want to go through some of the jewelry and see, do I actually wear this or not? And then whatever I do not keep, I'm going to donate it to Savers, which is down the road for me. Just to be as quick as possible because I don't want to stand here and contemplate items. I want it to be a yes or no, and if it's a maybe, I want it to be the quickest maybe ever. Let's start off with my closet. We're going to start off with this side, and we are going to start off with my shoes that are down here. Shoes, I think, is going to be one of the items that not a lot is going to get rid of because a lot of these shoes I do wear. These 2 shoes here, okay, these black boots I wear all the time. These white shoes I don't wear as often, but there's outfits that I do wear them with. They're just not they're not a pair of boots that I wear as often as the black ones, but I do wear them, so those are keeps. I love these red ones. I got them at Savers for like $13 a couple years ago. I have worn them. The only thing, they're not good for wearing if you're going to be walking a lot because the insides, there's no sole and they're a size too big. See, I'm saying I think I'm going to keep them, and then I'm like hesitating, which I feel like I should go with the hesitation and be like, goodbye. These 2 items. These are getting really worn out, so I think I'm going to get rid of these. These ones aren't worn, but I don't wear them as much. I think I am going to get rid of these 2. These are like orthopedic shoes I painted white from a Savers that are a size too small. I think I'm going to donate them. I'm going to get rid of this. So this is from when I used to be in the fan cult for My Favorite Murder. I don't listen to them anymore. I kind of grew out of them, so I'm going to get rid of that. This is a hat my parents got us, so when we take our dog out at night, we would use this. And we have like backlights in our house that turn on, and it was fine. He doesn't go that far at night, he just pees. But I don't live at home. I haven't for almost 2 years, but I've only kept this the past 2 years because I was like, oh, if I go to abandoned places and ghost hunting, I don't know who the fuck I am, I was like, I'll wear this. I haven't. I'm gonna get rid of this because it's not necessary. Don't wear this ever. This shirt I think I'm just gonna get rid of. This is actually gonna be a maybe because I want to see how I can figure out how to style this. I feel like I should get rid of it. What is this white one? I think I actually am going to get rid of this one. This one fits really weird on me. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I feel like I should get rid of it, which kind of sucks because I think the pattern and everything on it is just so cool. Cool as this is, I'm gonna get rid of it. This is too short on me. Like, it like shows my butt cheeks. It's a cool romper, but it shows my butt cheeks, so this is a no. Same thing with this. As much as I worn it a lot to work over the early fall, spring, and summer, it just fits weird and it's time to let it go. Okay, this is a no. Black pants. I got it at a thrift store. They fit on my hips weird. They just personally don't fit right, so we are going to get rid of them. Okay, I just got back from my walk a little while ago, if you couldn't tell by my flushed face, because it's cold out. Hopefully the lighting's okay. I don't have a ring light on, but I feel like the lighting's actually surprisingly pretty good. Okay, so I just went through the closet out there with all the coats I had into it, and I picked out some stuff I don't think I'm gonna keep. Let's just take a look at the pile I have so far. That's a massive pile. Rings. This is in a ceramic jar my grandma made back in the 70s. Okay, so if you can see it, this is the huge pile of jewelry I'm getting rid of. It's actually all things I've made, cheap stuff. I am gonna donate it to Savers because I know they sell jewelry. So I have 4 drawers in here. Let's look at my t-shirts. 25. What is this one? No, this one says I am the church, and I thought it was funny. It just has a butterfly on it. No, I want to keep that one. This one is my Golden Girls one. I love them, but I don't like the color of that one. Old. No. This one's also getting tattered and old. No. No. This one I made, and I just have not worn it in a while. But I made it. I like combined 2 t-shirts. In crop it doesn't even fit tight. So I don't know if I should get rid of this. Something's just telling me to do so. I was just deleting footage off my camera from old videos, and I accidentally deleted the last set of footage I had for the closet clean out, and that was me in front of the huge pile worth of clothes I had with my outro and my thumbnail, because it was a massive pile. So in the end, it ended up being 5 garbage bags, 5 huge garbage bags full of donations I donated to a thrift store. Massive closet clean out. I've never felt better in my life. I, on my 2022 dream board, literally have a picture of a closet with minimal clothes in it because I really wanted to hone in on my style this year. That's my cat, sorry. He's getting crazy this afternoon. I really wanted to hone in on my style, but also have less clothes because it's just overwhelming, it's stupid, it's unnecessary to have that many clothes, and I feel like I never know what to wear, but now that I have less clothes, I feel like I know exactly what to wear. Anyways, it felt amazing. I highly suggest doing closet clean out. Again, 5 huge bags donated. Sucks that I missed the thumbnail and I didn't get footage of my 5 huge garbage bags, but that was the end of that video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in my next video.